Starting an Etsy shop can feel like a huge task, especially with all of the advice out there about SEO, niching down, and perfecting your branding. But don't worry, today I'm going to be breaking it all down into super simple steps so you can get started on Etsy with confidence and ease. Whether you're looking to turn a passion into a business or create a new income stream, I've got you covered. And stick around because I've got some really cool tools to share along the way to make this process even easier. Let's dive in. The first step is deciding what to sell. Etsy is known for its unique and creative products, so you'll definitely want to focus on one of the four main categories. 1, handmade products, items you make or design yourself like jewelry, candles, or art. 2, digital products, printable art, planners, templates, or any other downloadable items. 3, print-on-demand products. You design it and a provider handles production and shipping. Think t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags. Lastly, vintage items. These must be at least 20 years old, perfect for unique, timeless finds. When deciding, focus on something that you're really passionate about or skilled at creating. It's best to start with one clear category to establish your shop's identity. This makes it easier to stand out and attract your ideal customers. Next, you have to establish your business. Once you decided what to sell, it's time to set up your business, starting off with legal steps. Before you start selling on Etsy, it's important to handle the legal side of your business. I know this part might feel intimidating, but trust me, it's worth getting it set up properly from the beginning. Many Etsy sellers begin as sole proprietors, but forming an LLC, which is a limited liability company, and make your shop look more professional, especially if you're planning to scale. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the process, you are not alone. Thankfully, there's so many tools that simplify everything. If you have not heard of Tailor Brands, I just want to introduce them to you because with Tailor Brands, you can take care of forming your LLC without the headache of figuring out on your own. It also includes branding features like a logo, digital business card, and domain registration, which can help you establish a strong professional presence from day one. If you are interested in checking out Tailor Brands to just make your life so much easier, we actually do have an exclusive link where you can get 35% off a premium LLC package. So that means the elite plan will cost just $162 after the discount, giving you everything you need to launch with confidence. As a side note, this isn't something you have to do right away, but if you do want to separate your personal and business finances or build a legit brand, it's definitely worth considering. Again, I've left that link in the description if you want to check it out and get a discounted rate. Next up is branding. Your branding is what sets the tone for your shop. This includes your logos, colors, and just overall vibe. So, are you going for something earthy and natural, bright and fun? Keep your target audience in mind when making these decisions. If you're not a designer, Canva is also an amazing tool for creating professional branding materials. It's one of my favorite tools that I personally use all the time. You can design logos, flyers, social media posts. It's also super beginner friendly and packaged with templates. So if you want to check out Canva, I've left the link in the description, but I just wanted to quickly show you what you can do on there. What's cool about Canva is you can just search anything and it will bring some stuff up for you. So let's just say we want to design a logo, see a bunch of different options to start with. So maybe you want something a little bit more bright. All we have to do is customize this template and then you can shift your colors to whatever your brand is. If you already have a brand palette in here, you can just change them or go in here and directly, we want something a little bright. Maybe we want to switch this up. Maybe we want to change the font. So it's super, super customizable. Another thing you can do in Canva, maybe you want to create your first social media post. All you have to do is search and you can see they have a bunch of different templates on here. You can go ahead and choose one that best fits your needs. And then again, customize it to whatever it is that you need. Canva is super easy, super straightforward, and super, super handy. I personally use this every single day. So they do have a couple different plan options just so you're aware. And you want to make sure you use our link in the description to get the best price possible. Here you can see they have a free plan. So this is design anything and bring your ideas to life. No cost, just creativity. And this is completely free. So what you get with this is the easy drag and drop editor. You still get a bunch of templates, but you just get less templates. You also get 1,000 plus design types, 3 million stock photos and graphics, AI generated writing and designs, design, printing, and delivery, and 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. And then with the Canva Pro, this is just $120 per year. So with this, you get unlimited premium templates, lots of graphics, videos, audios, 1,000 brand kits to manage your brand. You can resize and translate designs, backgrounds in a click. They also have AI tools, plan and schedule content, and more storage and online customer support. So again, you can start off with a free plan and then upgrade when you're ready. Even on the free plan, they have a ton of great options for you, but there is just so much more you can do with the upgraded plan. They also have a Teams plan, which is $100 a year per person. And this is everything in the Pro, plus you get to scale your brand and centralize assets, ensure brand consistency with approvals, edit, comment, and collaborate in real time. Also generate on-brand copy with AI, team reports, pay as you grow, 1 terabyte of cloud storage, online online customer support, AI admin controls, and even more. And then lastly is this Canva Enterprise. You get everything that you get in the teams, plus you get so many other tools like a dedicated customer success manager, priority customer support, SSO, set individual or group design approvals, but you do have to contact sales for this. Again, start off with a free plan if that's what feels best for you, and then you can always upgrade later on. Next up, you want to secure your name. Once you've picked a shop name, check its availability on Etsy, social media platforms, and domain registrations. This ensures your branding is consistent across the board. Next up, you're going to want to research and create your products. Before creating products, research what's trending in your niche. Use Etsy's search bar tool or other tools like Sales Samurai to identify keywords, popular sites, and best-selling items. Look for patterns and color schemes, fonts, and design elements to incorporate into your own products. Next, you want to start creating handmade products or digital products, whatever it may be. So if you are going to be doing handmade products, you want to source materials from wholesale suppliers to save you money and create your first batch of products. If it's digital products, you want to use tools like Canva, like I showed you, or Photoshop is a little bit more of an advanced version of Canva to design your items and ensure you offer the right file types. If you're going to print on demand, you want to choose a provider and sync it with your Etsy shop for seamless production and fulfillment. Next up, we need to open your Etsy shop. So now it's time to finally officially open your Etsy shop. So if you want to follow along as I walk you through this, make sure you click the link directly below and you will be directed to this page right here. So to get started with Etsy, you'll have to create an account. We'll go ahead and click sign in, but then right up here, you'll want to click register. And from here, you will type in email address, your first name, and a password. And then go ahead and click register. Okay, so what you want to do is go ahead and click on this shop manager, and then we will go ahead and just follow these instructions. So here you can see you've got your shop preferences. So you'll want to do your language, country, and currency, which mine is already in there. And then you'll want to name your shop. So again, whatever aligns with your brand and what you're going to be selling. Just a little pro tip is if you are struggling to find a name, go ahead and ask ChatGPT. It's super, super easy, and they'll give you a bunch of names. Just kind of describe what you are looking for, and ChatGPT will spit out a bunch of names. But again, you want to make sure you're checking that you're not going to be using somebody else's name as well. Definitely want to check, but we'll just go ahead and use that as an example. And then you'll want to stock your shop. So here you can see what the category is. We'll go ahead and type in planner templates, and then it will be a digital file, and then it will be who makes it. So you can do I did, a member of my shop, or another company or person. What is it? A finished product or a supplier tool to make something. So this will be a finished product. How was it made? And you can put recently, or maybe if it's like a made to order type of thing where you customize it. And then you'll want to make sure you are checking that it's created by me, unless it's created with an AI generator. You'll want to do that. And then you also can add production partners as well. Save and continue. And then what you'll want to do is add even more details. So you will add the about, you will add price and inventory, variations, tags and attributes, details, shipping, and settings. So there is a bunch of things that you want to customize completely to you in your shop. So make sure you're doing that. And then you will add your own bank accounts, so how you will get paid. You'll also share your own billing info, and then you will be ready to rock and roll and sell your items. I will say Etsy does require at least one listing to complete your setup, but don't stress, this can just be a placeholder that you can update later. You just want to get your shop up and running. Also, once you're up and running, you also want to make sure you customize your shop. So after the setup, you're going to want to add key elements to your shop like your logo and banner. These just really create a polished, professional look. You'll want to make sure you edit your about section. So share your story and what makes your products unique. Shop policies. You also really want to clearly outline returns, exchanges, and shipping info. Etsy does provide templates though, so you want to just make sure you are tweaking it to fit your needs. The last step is to launch and market your shop. Now that your shop is live, it's time to bring in those customers, okay? So starting off with SEO, make sure you are using high-ranking keywords in your titles, tags, and descriptions to help your listing show up in search results. For example, handmade soy candles or printable wedding invitations. Next is professional photos. Whether you're taking your own product photos or using mock-ups, make sure your images are clean, high quality, and showcase your products in the best light. Next is to promote your shop. Start driving traffic with social media, email marketing, and influencer collaborations. Use platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, or Instagram to reach your target audience and generate a buzz. A few pro tips. Wholesale suppliers. If you're creating a handmade product, buying materials in bulk can save you money and increase your profit margins. Start small, test your product, and then scale up as sales yourselves grow. The last tip I want to give you is a pricing strategy. Start with competitive pricing to build momentum and gather reviews. Once your listings gain traction, gradually increase prices for better profit margins. Starting an Etsy shop might feel like a big task, but once you break it down into these simple steps, it's completely manageable. With tools like Tailor Brands for legal setup, Canva for branding, and Etsy to launch your shop, you have everything you need to get started. Remember, the effort you put in now can lead to incredible opportunities down the road. Whether you're building a side hustle or starting a full-time business, the journey starts with taking that first step. This channel is dedicated to helping you build profitable side hustles and turn your passions into paychecks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.